Okay, we've got some new secret weird model called Ox Alpha. I don't know what it is. Most people are saying GLM 5.5, but I've seen lots of other ideas about that. So who knows what it is? All people know is that it's sort of frontier level. So I'm going to put it through my new and improved benchmark, the first model to go through it. Let's start off with the Halo clone. I actually already tried recording this video once, so I've seen this one, but the rest I have not seen before. So let's go into Halo clone. So I did grade this a 94, just spoiler alert. It's really good. It's just too dark. Really good sound effects. Feels really weighty and meaty. Really good FPS on this in Three.js. It's just too freaking dark and doesn't have any design except being a big black box. So, I mean, it's really good. This is why I gave it a 94. The reload has reload animations. You can switch weapons, so 2 switches to a pistol. But, you know, it's really hard to see. So this is why I give it a 94. But this is honestly one edit away from being awesome. Another one that's edits away from being awesome is this one. So I actually, what you're going to see here is, this is the XCOM clone, is really not what the model outputted. It's going to get dinged because it caused problems. Like first, it had console errors that wouldn't even allow it to show anything but the UI menus. And then it wouldn't play. It wouldn't let me do anything. So just so that you guys have a good video, I made a couple of fixes so that it at least is playing. But you can see right off the bat, the camera is pivoting off of this corner for like no good reason instead of the center. So that's one issue. So if we could try to finally use it, I mean, other than that, the rendering of the 3D is really good, and it's really nice, seamless motion, but big bug. And of course, like, it's already going to get super nicked for those console errors. Okay, so let's go here. That's cool. Okay, so what? So oh, that's great. 75% to hit. Boom. Very nice. Hostile turn. Yep, of course. This is great. Oh, that feels so good. Feels so chunky. All right, I'm going to flank him. Boom. Yes. So good. His turn. Oh, this is really good. Oh, this is the second thing with this model. 2 extremely good generations that are like way better in style and aesthetics and feel, but have like major bugs. So, you know, I mean, maybe it's not for one-shot generations as much. I don't know. So I'm going to give it an 84 here, which I think is fair because it was broken. And if it wasn't, it would be amazing. That's the problem. Okay, 3D printable object. I've got it right here. This is a Doctor Who phone case that is actually printable. Oh, and let's see, Bamboo Lab. What do we got? Oh, very nice. So this is what all the good Frontier models make. They do this slant, which I think is pretty good. It's interesting though that they didn't have the the phone holding piece go all the way down. So like a phone would sort of sit there and it would drop down to the bottom and lean, but it works. It's functional and would definitely print without supports. How about the correctness here? Let's look at the correctness. So it doesn't say police box, which is fine. I like it when models do that, but they don't have to. This is kind of like, there's nothing TARDIS about this. That's sort of like not right. That's not what a TARDIS would do. And this has some issues, but generally okay. Should have 2 windows, 2 doors. They're too far apart and a little messed up there. This is perfect on top for the most part. It's not the best I've seen. It's kind of like a chimney. Like they kind of did a chimney, but that's not really what it looks like. But but it would be printable. It would hold your phone. All those types of things. So, you know, not bad. So I'm going to go with a 92 on this one. Okay, sales page. This tests front-end UI. Let's see. Ship product, not status updates. Okay, this is good. I mean, listen, like this is all, like everything that I'm seeing here is at the level of other Frontier models that I have tested. And these 4 are things that I've had on my bench forever. The next 4 tests that we're going to do, this is the first time that we've used them or seen them. But this is different. So let's go into this. Okay, this is not bad. So they have to make an animated SVG, and this is actually relevant. So having animated SVGs be actually relevant and not just ticking the box is hard. But this thing is moving down, you know, whatever, that's fine. But these changing from triaging to done and stuff, like, or auto-resolve, that makes a difference. Okay, that's good. That works. See the math. Good. Yeah, and like this is really good. Yeah, so I mean, listen, this is definitely a frontier model. I can just tell you that right now. Like, it's going to be right up there around GLM 5.3-ish range. One plan, every feature in OC game. Yeah. So, little basic, but everything is super functional. Oh, let's look at this other animated SVG. Lumen lens. So they go into the lumen lens and out to these things, but the dots don't have a whole lot of logic. Oh, so it's supposed to be like noisy signals in, clear signals out, but then like they don't fade out soon enough. So their heart was in it. That's good. Really good work here. I'm going to give it a 95. Okay, let's go into the Diablo clone. These are new ones. We got a Diablo clone where you have to make a game that's just like Diablo. Isometric, top-down RPG. Okay, and let's... Oh, this is nice. This is cool. So this is... I've never had another model do this, so I don't have much to go off of. The sword animation leaves something to be desired, but kind of cool. I like what they've done with the environment. I don't know what... Is this hair on the ground? It's kind of... But I kind of like that they were like, hey, let's not tick the box of just having a floor, right? Okay, so let's use some of these. So that sword was left. Let's use three. Oh, nice. Let's use 4. So I have these other abilities. Does 4 go out my back? Oh, it was on cooldown. All right, let's try it again. 4. Oh, where are you? Oh, it's aiming where my mouse is. Yeah. Oh, interesting. This is really good. Oh, look at this boss. Look at this boss who came in. Okay, so what's SPC? I don't know how to use it. Is 4 a healing flask? Oh no, Q is a healing flask. But it's not working! No! I need to heal! Oh, it's over here is heal. What's this over here then? What's 17 out of 100? Ooh, I leveled up. Nice. You know, this is a really good generation. It's a tough... Oh, look! He's got a different type of attack, so he, like, slams down. This is really good! This is fun! Oh my gosh, have you polished up the animations here? Holy crap. Oh, okay, this is good. What do I score this? Oh my gosh, what do I score? I'm gonna go with a 95 here for Diablo Arena. That was really good. Let's look at this 5th Avenue drone. So this needs to be a realistic vertical slice of a first-person drone flight up 5th Avenue. So let's see what this looks like here. Grand Army Plaza, 17 blocks north, WSC to fly, space E climb, shift Q descend, mouse look. All right, let's see, click to take off. Here we go. Okay. Shift goes down, space goes up. Just generic buildings so far. I'm not seeing it. What just happened? Oh my gosh, it just disappeared. Did everything just disappear? What happened? Where did it all go? St. Patrick's Cathedral. Is that... What? Was that all 17 blocks? What is going on now? Was that all 17 blocks? Let's try this again. Without, like, looking away. Okay, it says this is Rockefeller Center over here, but there's no land, like, they didn't even try to make landmarks. It's just buildings. Like, this is not 5th Avenue. It could be anything. And you see how when I turned around, oh, look! This is definitely Rockefeller Center, supposed to be. And 30 Rock. Okay, alright, well, they made an attempt. Oh, St. Patrick's Cathedral. Okay, alright, cool. Man, it would just be so great if they, like, took the initiative to put, like, Tiffany's and Saks and stuff on here. You know, that's what I would expect. Alright. But did you see how when I turned around, like, everything disappeared? Trump Tower doesn't look like anything interesting or unique. It's just a building. I like that the cars are moving. The cars are great. And this is Grand Army Plaza. And then Central Park. Okay, so this is mid. You know? Like, this is a tough one. This is going to be... I think this is going to end up being the hardest test on this new bench. So for correctness here, 60. Quality... You know... Oh, gosh. This is tough. I think a 78 is about a fair score here for this. It really wasn't that great. It was good that they had a couple of things in there, but they phoned in most of it. So let's go to the next one here. Penguin Meltdown. So this is a 12-second inline SVG. It's a penguin. He strolls to eat ice cream. The scoop drops and it turns sad. Okay, here we go. All right. This is really good. Okay, penguin is going left to right. He eats. He's happy. Oh, that is... Did you see how that shifted? Did you see how the environment shifted? Eats it. Okay. Drops. Sad. It gets... And everything gets darker. He cries and his eye disappears. So there's a few problems with it, right? Like the penguin's arms are not on the right side, right? Like they wouldn't be showing up like that. They should put the ice cream in the other hand. His eye disappears there when that happens. The face is in general really weird. It's like a cyclops penguin or something like that. So this is not perfect, but it's really good. So the correctness here is really high. You know, I'd say about 68, but the quality, I'm going to put it about 20. So I think a 92 is really good for this. Once again, everything with this model is it's one edit away from greatness, right? And I think that's reflective in its score. And then it got 100 on the tool calling where they do a bunch of crazy stuff with CSVs. And let's go to the skepticism audit now. And it got a 90. So it did make up one fake thing. Missing number 2. So where did we end up? 91 weighted score. And you know, that's going to put it, I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be right at about GLM 5.2 or a little bit lower. What does that mean? I'm not super excited. I'm not gonna go nuts over this freaking model. It's like fine. Like I would say that like you know, I mean, if this is a GLM, I think it's a lateral move as far as at least my benchmark stuff goes. There's nothing here that is better than GLM 5.3. In fact, it's worse. This is, by the way, a multimodal model. That's all we know about it. It's a multimodal model with a million contexts. I think that's about all we know about this thing. We don't know where it's from. We don't know if it's an open model. We don't know if it's a closed model, like whatever it might be. It almost makes me want to think that it's like it makes me want to think that it is like Gemini 3.5 Pro because like this is the kind of results I would think I would see from them. However, Gemini 3.7 Flash, you know, it's done a little better. So it's really, really hard to tell. So give it a shot. It's actually free right now. So this is like essentially definitely a frontier model for free. I don't love using models when they're a secret. Like I'm not going to use it for work, but it's fun to put it through this and I'll be interested to see what it is. The most reputable thing that I saw was saying that it was GLM 5.5. Like some dude like dug deep into the code and found signatures that he thinks make it match GLM's previous model. So we'll see. Anyway, got a new bench. Get subscribed. Got a video coming up very soon where I'm going to run through the new bench with all my top 20 models so I can get the perfect rankings in there. So get subscribed for that and to see all models go through this bench. See you in the next one.